So, ayan, nilinis na pala ito ni Mister. Ayan, oh. Pinunasan niya yung mga yan. And then, nagwalis. Ito kasi yung ginagamit namin pang walis. So, ito ang winalis niya dyan sa mga yan. Dyan sa floor. And then, meron na din kasi ditong nakalagay na radiator. Kaya, pwede ditong magstay. Pagka yung, gusto namin, ganyan. And then, ayan na yung sofa, nilagay na niya dyan. So, ayan, dati itong, sabi nila is, dati itong, parang working space. Kasi meron nga, ayan, may radiator dyan, may TV, and then, meron dito mga parang lamesa, pero itong lamesa nito is, para siyang, woodworking keme, ganun. Kaya, ganito ang itsura niya. So, yun, hindi pa talaga namin alam kung ano ang magiging purpose nitong maliit na room na to. Kasi nga, ewan. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang aming gagawin. Hey, go guys, we're gonna unbox this now. Our
Can I see?
Barbecue grill.
The screen's tiny.
Here.
Hang on. There. Up to there. Right.
So we need to move it. Yeah, we're gonna assemble it here, don't we? So we're gonna move it later. It's like, unlike in the Philippines, you can like just make your own thing, make your own barbecue.
You can do that here.
Can you?
Yeah.
Well,
You've got all those spare bricks. You could have done it.
Oh, and then just put some, what is it? Like the
You could have just built a fire pit.
rail, yeah.
Well, I wish you'd said you were happy to do that before we spent 150 quid on a barbecue.
Can you really do that?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it's not allowed. But
Well, we've got it now.
yeah, it's nice. So ayan, ito yung saluhan, trash. Ay, what is it? Ashtray. And then this is all the, oh my god. This is all the bolts. And then our what is that, baby? Stanners. Your partner in crime, Stanners. Oh, it's a Texas smoker barbecue. So this is the guide. Do you need this, do you think?
Yes. And we'll follow it, unlike the people in the shop who built it the wrong way round.
Yeah, we saw the right. This one, it's broken. Yes, the glass is broken. The screen.
No, it's not. It's invincible, that phone.
So yeah, we saw the model of this grill in the store, but they built it wrong way round. So yeah.
Look at all this free litter that you get with everything these days.
Maybe we can use it.
Chuck it in the garage because there's going to be loads. Right.
No, I'm gonna put all those in one bag. That's why I did that.
Yeah, well,
Here we go. We will start. And the arguing starts. Why is that? Why there's a rolling there?
I think it's magnets.
Magnets.
Right.
One that. Hurry up.
Wheels.
Handles. The handles there.
Oh, shake it out the line.
This is the racks.
Oh, shite. Or is it? I think this is the side panels. Oh, that's the front, isn't it?
Yeah.
He watches it. E1.
E1.
That's those little ones there.
Those little ones there. Donner, please.
Those little bastards out.
I need a screw though, isn't it? I
You?
need a screwdriver, so I can help you.
You want to help?
Of course.
Do you have to?
Yes.
This is.
Man's
I
job.
love doing this sort of thing.
Alright. So you don't want me here?
No, you can stay. How about I'll use this one. You can use this.
What is this? Oh yes. Okay.
No, I was only joking. That'll be a painting. That.
No, that's fine. Oh. Ooh, you got matching ones.
No, not matching.
You don't need to do that because you can just like that.
Yeah, but you
know.
could, no, don't be utterly absurd. You can't just leave it like that. You still have to use a screwdriver to tighten them. That's a good fit.
Put it there. Thank
But
you.
you obviously don't just put it in. Can they see that? Just
No.
about. She's just putting a screw into nothing.
No, just getting it ready.
I see.
Right. This is the back. What have you done
There's
now?
wood under here.
Right.
Just bang my knee. Step 5, sorry. Oh, I can put my feet on the computer there.
What's next?
Well, if any of the viewers can make sense of that.
Oh shucks.
So we put it up on its front.
Me too. There you go.
The fuck is that? Gotta find something that looks.
This,
No.
that,
No.
this.
No. We found it. There it is. I can do that on my own. Thanks.
What did you do?
No, it says to attach it. It doesn't say to attach it with the arm. You can't attach it.
You
with
said
the
you attach it there. Oh.
That's not the instructions. You witless woman. That's the. I've been dying to use that phrase now.
Which phrase is that?
Months about you witless woman. It's so offensive, but
What does that mean?
it just means you're stupid.
You bloody
Stupid
idiot.
woman. Right.
I'm not
I
stupid.
know it's only a joke. Right. I mean, it did take you quite a while to realise that I was called.
Do you need one more for this?
No, there's not one on that side. Just one.
Two, of course.
No, one each.
You witless man.
That's backfired. What's
Right.
No. What's the?
It's all done properly.
I know. I'm just.
What do you think? I am a handy woman too.
I know.
You know.
And the other one.
Is that the wheels?
Wheels. Yes. Ooh. That's
Right,
that's
wrong.
that's E9.
Wrong.
Well, I was looking at it upside down, so it looked like E6.
Like an E6. Na 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 na. I can eat 6.
What's that? Oh, E6, that's the little washers. That makes more sense.
Oh, you idiot. You. What is it? What is it again?
Can't remember, can you?
What is it?
You witless woman.
You witless man. I know what I'm doing.
I'm just saying you've got it the right way round.
What is that?
Well, there's a bit of giving there, isn't there? Well, it's not a precision, it's not like it's a car, is it? It doesn't matter. There's quite a bit of
Is it
give
just
there.
like that? Ah. Is it really like just like that?
Yeah, there's literally no point in that washer because,
Yeah. There's nothing to tighten it.
yeah, I don't know, maybe, yeah, well, it's just rubbish, isn't it? It's just cheap rubbish.
So Jan, we're going to put it now. Let's vote in. There you go.
Right, we need
What do we need now?
E1 screws. One there,
E1 screws.
one there,
Yeah.
one here. There's 6.
Mm-hmm.
I missed off about 3 steps on here. I missed off how to put the bottle opener on, how to put this on, and how to put the front door on. But luckily, a
Do
monkey,
you know how?
a monkey could work it out. You literally just screw it on.
There.
Oh, there.
Oh. What? You're just playing now, baby. Where's the other screw going? You gave me 3.
Here. In the front. Now, don't fully tighten.
I'm not. What?
It's something that the camera was off, but it was 2 minutes ago that I taught you not to tighten one screw completely and then the other, and to do them evenly. And 2 minutes later, I say, just a reminder, don't tighten them all at once. I know! We've only known for about 40 seconds.
I know that since birth.
Right. Well, you wanted to have autonomy when you could do it. E1.
Because it's not camera properly here.
What do you mean? Don't try and tighten it when it's like that. You just haven't put the screw in properly.
Yeah, because you can't really put the thing in. Look at that.
What? What?
It's not on properly.
Well, you'll just have to do the best you can. Don't force it though if it's not going in.
Well, I can't do this then. How do you unscrew it? Using this?
Turn that. 2 notches. There.
Mine is not working. Oh.
With ease, This is how you do it.
Oh, so you didn't give me the ease.
What?
You didn't give me the ease.
No, I'm saying you do it with ease.
What ease?
As in easy. You do it with ease. Oh, that is a bit stiff, isn't it? Oh, it's not. Ooh.
What did I said? Huh?
Yeah, but what did I say earlier when I said that it looks like you've done that bit a bit too high? And you went, no, it's not. And actually, it is. That's why it doesn't line up properly.
It was a bit too high.
Look, about 2 millimeters too high.
Oh, how do you do that then?
Don't know. Let's see.
It's just like that. Don't need that.
I'm fixing your error.
So you need it.
Fixing your error, and you're still managing to be.
Oh, you can't do that. Don't do that. Must be everybody coming home from church.
There you go. It lines up now.
Oh, then I can do it then.
Well,
I don't need your help.
slow down.
I don't need your help.
I think we've just seen that you do need my help.
Don't need your help.
Right.
Where's the other one?
Don't know. You don't need my help though, do you?
Where's the other bolts? You take it with you.
But you can get it though, because you don't need my
Give
help.
me. Oh, I'm gonna kill you. This
That's-
one.
No.
Where is it then? Where is the one?
Need your help, but I can't tell the difference between an E4 and an E1.
Maybe you use it.
Of course I haven't used it. I'm not a moron.
Yeah.
I might have used it.
Mm-hmm.
No. No, I haven't used it.
You numbwits. You use it. You used it.
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody have a laugh at the silly man. Oh, there. Actually, that was very easy.
Is it? Is it really? Give me one. Give me two. This is the chaos of.
This isn't chaos. This is going very well.
Give me one more. One more.
Ooh.
One more.
Oh,
What? Mm-hmm.
why has it got the option to unhinge it though? That makes no sense.
Ta-da! So again guys, this is the finished product of our newly built BBQ smoker ineme. Ta-da! So ayan. What can you say, baby?
I like it.
What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it too.
It's,
Don't lean on it so it might broke. It might break. We didn't even use it yet.
That's not right. That's because there's a chair behind it. A chair.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's fine. I like it. It's
It's proper, isn't it?
well, it's still you can still feel that it's cheap and a bit flimsy, but it's alright.
I think
It's alright for 150 quid.
when we like change this, should be alright, isn't it?
Hmm.
Yeah, I think you can buy. What do you call that?
Like cast iron.
Yeah, cast iron. You can. That's the bit where you can put. What is it? The
Change the
charcoal.
height.
Yeah, the charcoal holder. You can put it high.
That's
the highest.
Yeah.
Yeah. You put it high and then you can put it low. So your meat won't burn if the heat is so high. Just put it down. So
That actually is a good feature because that's the problem with barbecues, isn't it? Is that you can't adjust
you can't
the
change
temperature.
it. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, and then we got the down there somewhere. Oh, in the drawer, second drawer down.
What is it? Second drawer.
Just pull the drawer out.
Oh, that.
Just explicitly said, pull the drawer out.
Pull the drawer out.
Just pull the drawer out. That's right. Because got that to put in there as well.
How do you do that though?
You should know. You bloody do this for a living.
No, I mean, does it got wood chips in it?
No, I don't think so.
Why is it heavy?
It says without wood chips. So.
Oh really? It's heavy.
Ooh, look at this! You're getting a bonus unboxing. Ooh.
And then we've got this Jack Daniel whiskey barrel smoking chips. Stanners.
Yeah. Do you not use it like this at your work then?
No.
We're not naming the brand, the place where she works at. But do they not have that at where you work? That rhymes with Mickery's Poke House.
No, we don't use this.
You've opened
thing.
it.
Yes.
Isn't that gonna?
No, they got the.
It's gonna get
Ziploc.
moisture in it.
Got Ziploc.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The smoker box is suitable for smoking foods with wood chips. Place the wood chips in the smoker box, cover with the lid, place it between the coals.
Between the coals.
Oh, so okay. Yeah. Yeah, the other day when I was saying, you can't combine
Coals
coal.
and.
You don't, do you? You just put it in there.
You put the coals. Put some
Put the
coals
coal-
here.
No. Put the coal in there as normal, and just put your wood chips in there, and then put that in with the coals.
But it's not gonna smoke because there's no. You can't light it, do you?
You light it, you light
Oh,
it as
light
you would
it,
anyway.
light it like the wood chips.
Yeah, like you would if you were just
okay.
gonna smoke. There.
Ah. Oh yes. That's good, isn't it?
That is quite good actually.